How to turn on or turn off volume key navigation on Wattpad app. So hello guys, all what you have to do is go to Wattpad. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do, go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, click here on this little icon in the corner, and you will have many options here. Choose the third one, which is reading preferences, and here you will find volume key navigation. You can enable it by clicking or disable it again by click on it. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.